Well, this time I got a nice Honda 2000 car stereo. I think it's out of like an 86, 87 Honda CRX, but unfortunately, it's got some leaking electrolyte from capacitors on the board. All these black capacitors back here are leaking. I think the blue ones are okay. It's got a couple blue ones over here. I think they're going to be just fine. Anyhow, it needed a belt. Cassette mechanism was just jammed up, pulling a bunch of current. Put a new belt on it. Cassette deck is working absolutely perfectly. It's got another leaky cap down there. All right, there you can see the electrolyte on the board. But I went ahead and did a preliminary estimate for the customer, and we'll see if he wants to go ahead and tear this board off the heatsink and actually wash it with soap and water to get the conductive electrolyte off of the board. So you'll probably see a diagnosis. Maybe you'll end up seeing a repair on it also. On NorCal 715. Thanks for watching. Everyone have a great day.